Hi everyone, it's Lou Cozy Arts. Today I'm creating my own Kuromi blind bags, a $1 version and a $1,000 version. I decided to do a voiceover today instead of writing text. It feels a little more personal and cozy. And since so many of you have been subscribing lately, I really wanted to try something new just to thank you and share this relaxing moment together. I really enjoyed making my Hello Kitty blind bags, the $1 versus the $1,000 version, so today I decided to do the same, but with a Kuromi theme. I absolutely love the Sanrio universe, as you probably noticed by now. A lot of you have been asking how I actually make my blind bags, so let me walk you through the process. First, I design everything on my tablet. I mix and match images or create entire scene myself, like this one where I built a tiny Nintendo Switch. You'll see it soon. Once the designs are ready, I print the patterns and start the crafting part. Since there are many tiny pieces, I begin by covering them with clear tape to make them sturdier. Then I carefully cut each pieces by hand. Sometimes I even use a craft knife when I need an extra precision. After that, I fill them with soft wool to make them squishy. I don't make everything squishy, like the ice cream or the Band-Aid. Those don't really need it. For my $1 bag, I wanted to be a little generous, so I still added quite a few things like a Tamagotchi and even a little keychain at the end. Now let's move on to the $1,000 bag. I filmed this part another day, you might notice the lighting change. For this one, I wanted to include a Nintendo Switch just because I love video games so much. I even came up with the idea to make Joy-Con grips. To attach them, I used double sides Velcro. Super practical and it actually looks really nice. Next, I moved on the iPhone because, well, a $1,000 bag deserves a $1,000 item, right? I added a small decoration on the phone case, using more Velcro to hold everything in place. Once all my creations were done, I started making the bags themselves. Some of you mentioned in the comments that my bags were a bit too plain, too white, and that I should decorate them more. So this time I chose some colorful patterned papers for each bag. And that's it. Now I'm going to film the unboxing video, which you'll also be able to find here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. Don't forget to leave a comment or a like if you enjoy it. Stay cozy, stay yourself. Bye bye, Lou.